Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate your first Liberty insurance plan, detailed guide step by step clearly. To activate your first Liberty insurance plan, start by visiting the official Liberty Insurance website. Locate the Customer Login section on the home page. If you are a new user, click on the option to create an account. Fill in the required personal information, including your name, email address, and phone number. Create a secure password that meets the site's criteria. Once your account is set up, log in using your email and password. Navigate to the section labeled Policy Activation. Enter your policy number, which you can find on your insurance documents. Provide any additional information requested, such as your date of birth or address. Review the details you entered for accuracy. Submit your activation request. After submission, check your email for a confirmation message from Liberty Insurance. Follow any instructions in the email to finalize your activation. If you experience any issues, contact Liberty Insurance customer support directly. You can find their contact information on the website. Once your policy is activated, you can access your coverage details through your online account. Make sure to log in regularly to keep track of your policy and any updates. Congratulations, you have successfully activated your first Liberty insurance plan. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.